Okay, guys, we are on Spanish Town Road now, heading towards 3 Mile, you know. Yeah. Yeah, this is Kingston, guys.
Lots of traffic.
Yeah. Yes, I. Guys, this is 3 Mile. Crazy traffic, guys. Crazy traffic. Crazy traffic. Yeah. Traffic in the Kingston are crazy. Alright guys, this is downtown Kingston, you know. Yeah, downtown Kingston, you know. Port Royal? Oh, okay. Oh. Yeah, so Grace, fix up Grace Kennedy nice, you know? Okay. You don't remember the road them? Oh, okay. Park and walk around. A building here? Oh. Yeah, no, for that one there. Hey, hey.
Yeah, I remember I walk as a woman, I remember near my road.
Oh. Right. Yeah man, you go further up and turn right. This is stadium. Savannah Park this. This is Savannah Park guys. Savannah Park over here. Yeah. Guys, I reached my destination in Kingston, but I'm gonna give a little more in Kingston. Gonna take care of some business over by Stuart. Yeah. 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 Go on and get a parking, yeah. Security? We can get one park. Alright guys, actually reach at Kingston, you know. Then I knew Kingston here, yeah, so just go walk around and see where I go on, you know. Yeah. Take a show you a new Kingston, yeah, so. Yeah. So just take a walk around at the park. Are you Rose Park in name now? Eh? Oh, Emancipation. We're going to take a walk around at Emancipation Park, you know. Give a little bit of the town vibes today, you know. Popeye? Not sure. Yeah. Yeah, touch a little bit of the. Yeah, touch a New Kingston, you know, guys. Oh. street in New Kingston, you know? Yeah. KFC. What kind of food do you want? Okay. Yes, guys. Eh? Real street on you. Eh? New Kingston here, guys. That's a walk going on the Emancipation part, you know? Yeah. Yeah, come man. Come in, man. Pegasus Hotel over there, so guys. Over there. Pegasus Hotel over there. Wow. New Kingston, you know. Yes, guys, you just have to go out and do what you have to do, you know. You know, come. Yes, guys. Alright guys, this is our park in Kingston here. This is the Emancipation Park, you know. So I'm gonna just take you along in there and give you a tour of the Emancipation Park, you know. Come to the Emancipation Park. Welcome guys. Oh, it's a lovely park where you can come and hang out, you know. Wow. It's nice in here. First time I actually come into this park here, you know. Yeah, it's very nice. You can come and chill out, you know, guys. Sit back and relax and enjoy the view, you know. Yeah. This is it, guys. Oh, it's very nice here. Guys, look at the flowers. The flowers are so beautiful. Wow. Yes, this is the Emancipation Park. Guy over there, so I mold up the plant them, you know. That's the way how they do it in Jamaica. Mold up the plant them. Yes, Papa. You had one nice job there, no? Yeah. I take care of the garden. Yes. This is where the young ladies them come, you know, come chill out with their friends, just spread some blanket and hang out there. Oh. Huh? This walkway look good. Wow. Yeah. Have the young lovers over there, so. Yeah. This look good though. Eh? Oh, with that? That's it, I'm in a video now. Alright guys, that's it from the Emancipation Park, you know. We're heading out now. Maybe we stop at Dervan house and get an ice cream or something, or get something to eat, you know. So just hang around until we go there, you know. Yeah. Alright. What you say? You think you now lick you with it?
Yeah.
Eh?
That's why I must love you now.
Eh?
That's why I must love you take you lick.
Okay. Alright guys. We're still there in New Kingston. You're gonna look some local food, you know? That's what they have in there. I want to say fried chicken, stewed chicken, and cow foot and red pea soup. Okay guys, we are at Hope Garden. You know? We are at Hope Garden guys. We're going to go check out and see what over there, you know? Long time you know come to Hope Garden. Couple of years well. Yes, I have a lot of nice flowers here. Wow. Yes guys, welcome to Hope Garden, you know? Yeah. I don't know if you can film, but we'll take a chance still.
Garden.
Yeah.
Welcome to Oak Garden. Beautiful sunshine up on the mountain. Wow.
Okay. Okay. A long time I not come up at this place, you know. Years. Alright. Straight up to the zoo. Yeah, the Bougainville. Hope Garden. Oh, machine, okay. You can get that. Yeah, this is. So I guess we go in here and get pay the entry fee or something. Okay. Wow. What's the koi fish, man? Wow. Nice. Wow. Yes. Huh? Where is it? Inside here? Are they window? Oh, okay. Hello. Yes. How much for the ticket? 1.5 for adult. Alright guys, that is a mosquito, but that is not the live mosquito. You know? Alright. 1,500 per adult. Alright, yeah, go actually go there. Alright, thank you. Huh? Where, up here? Oh, the deer. Oh. Oh. Oh, yeah, they're pretty. Wow, beautiful. Yes, guys, we are at the Hope Garden Zoo, you know. They said we have to do a self tour, so we are doing that now. Oh, God. Parrot over there. Huh? All right. Hello. Hello.
How are you?
Hello. Yeah, it's a parrot. Hello.
Where you from? Parrot, where you from? What is your name? Hey, make sure I call to you first, though.
Yeah. All right. Yeah, tell her. Welcome to the. What's this one over there, so.
Go near, right?
Eh? Yeah. Hmm? Mm-hmm. No, no. What a big zoo, man. That me see. Don't go on good. I'm going to know where this stuff then. Oh, look at this turtle over here. Look at this turtle here. Rockstone. Yeah. Yeah. Huge. I do not know, first time years since I come up here. Eh?
Years like me. Years.
Years.
Years, I'm telling you.
Yes, from in the from in the
Rabbit, foal. And foal a look bossy.
yeah, man.
Yeah.
Wow, they are so beautiful. Wow. Wow. Yeah. All different types. Mm-hmm. Huh? Yeah. Ah, ah, ah. Eh?
Lock them one in our cage.
Yeah, man.
One them black cock ya.
Yeah. Mhm. Black rooster. First, me see a black rooster. Wow. Wow. Eh. Eh. Catch the rooster in action.
Yes, man.
Eh. Catch the rooster in action, man. Mm-hmm. Oh, so goat and cow. And if you can go around there. Oh. Where do they have the monkeys? Oh, just walk here? Okay. Okay, thanks. On the right. Okay, all right. Huh? Where? Huh. They're excited. Wow. Wow, they look good. Look nice. Parrot. Parrot. Lovely parrot. So the monkey them up that side. Oh, they have lions now. Look at this. Isn't pretty? Whoa. Wow, nice. Place is huge. We don't have enough time to walk it out, but we are doing our best. Oh, see some monkey here.
Yo, sir. Yo.
Just a small monkey. See one over here, so I eat. You run gone with the food. There's like 3 of them in there. The kangaroo over here. No, the kangaroo over here. 2 kangaroo, yeah. It's one deer inside there too. One deer inside there. In fatty. Wow. Oh, this is zebra. See him?
Real one this.
Yes, this.
Falls on the dung this.
Yeah, this is the real zebra.
Right, the first one set up that one there. Them.
Okay.
Pretty one, nice one.
Yes, one is nice. Wow. At first, we never come so close to one zebra, you know. Yes. Wow. Right, they have a donkey inside, but he won't come out. All right. Yeah. All right, guys, we're taking along. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes. You see? See him there? You see him? Wow. What a monster. Hello. Yeah. Wow. And some big sheep down here, so. Yeah. All right. The sheep is in action down here. Oi! You need to come catch the sheep in action. I catch him. Yeah, I mean that jumped a while ago. Wow. Look at this wild hog. Wow. These are the rib. Wow. Got this, man. Ostrich. Wow. Me and you're telling her. Huh? You can't see that. Look at your foot. Yeah. Look at your foot, man. Wow. Okay, guys. I guess that is for today. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And I see you in the other one. Guys.